What does $275,000 buy you in Metro Detroit these days? Let's head over to this awesome townhouse in Canton and find out. Welcome to 3974 Norwich in the serene Woodlands of Chatterton Village in Canton. Step inside to discover a harmonious open concept space where the entrance gracefully transitions into the expansive great room and sizable kitchen. Marvel at that great room bathed in natural light with new LVP flooring underfoot and views of the lush woods through generous windows. The kitchen, a blend of size and functionality, boasts ample space for culinary explorations, complemented by the tranquil backdrop of nature. That new LVP flooring and neutral palette carry over into your half bath, which is right off of your convenient first floor laundry. As we ascend, the first full bath reveals meticulous design that serves the secondary bedroom and guests alike. That secondary bedroom, a cozy retreat, promises restful nights with beautiful views of the woods. Enter the primary bedroom, an oasis of calm featuring a large vaulted ceiling and an enormous walk-in closet with a bespoke California setup. It's easy to envision your life here at 3974 Norwich, a bright, clean two-story townhouse with 2 beds, 2.5 baths, and an attached garage spanning 1,660 square feet of comfort. Beyond your doorstep, the community clubhouse, basketball courts, and pools await too, enhancing your living experience in this picturesque setting. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle. At 3974 Norwich, find your sanctuary. Welcome home.